singing don't worry, do-do-do-do-do, about a thing, do-do-do-do-do, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. So there are three essential elements that make this song such a campfire guitar classic, and they are: 1, you only need to know one verse and the chorus and you've got the whole song nailed. 2, it's the ultimate feel-good song, everyone joins in and sings along. And 3, it's got a very simple reggae style strum, which I'm going to show you shortly, and it makes this song super easy to play. Hey there, budding campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember. So if this is your thing, make sure you download my free songbook, link below. It's got all the songs you need to have an instant campfire repertoire, and it doesn't contain all those lame kumbaya songs you'll find in all the other songbooks. So this song has a very simple 3-chord structure, being the 1-4-5 chord. And for this lesson, I'm showing you it in the key of G, and I'm doing a bar G. You can do it open, but I'll tell you why bar chords are really important when you're playing reggae. I'll talk about that shortly. But before we do that, yes, I'm a left-hand guitar player and I'm playing a right-hand strung guitar. So all of my chord patterns appear upside down to most of you. Don't let that worry you. I'm going to put the patterns on the screen there. And I've just got the same challenges. I just got to get my fingers in the right place, and then I've got to strum and do my thing. So let's make a start now. So as I said, we're playing the G. We're playing a C bar chord on the 3rd fret, and then we're sliding it up 2 frets to the D bar chord. And this enables me to chord mute, which I'm going to show you now. So that's the basic reggae beat, and it's all down strums. Now don't forget folks, I do a full song sheet for these lessons, got the chords, got the lyrics, everything you need to know how to practice this song. Link below, download it from a Patreon page, it's yours for free. So in regards to vocal ability of the song, using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, I definitely give this song a shower singer rating. Hey, and speaking of Patreon, a big shout out to my Patreons who keep supporting this channel. It means a heck of a lot to me. Thanks folks. And if you like what I do, get on board, join my band, the link below to the Patreon page. Any sort of support is massively appreciated. Okay, let's break down this reggae strum now, and you're going to realise why bar chords are important, because you need to be able to mute the chord using your fingers up here. You're not muting down here called palm muting, you're muting them up here. Now there's 3 techniques to learn for the reggae strum. The first one is a basic down strum on a clean chord ring out, so your fingers are pressing them down properly. Right, you should be able to do that. That's guitar 101. The second technique is down strumming and then muting that chord immediately by actually taking the pressure off the strings, like so. I'll do that again. Down strum, off. And see how the chord immediately is cut out. The sound is cut out because I'm pressing down when I down strum and then I'm releasing. That's the second technique. The third technique is you're not pressing the chord down, you're just muffling the strings and you're doing a down strum, a brush down strum. So it's going to sound like this. Now you should be able to do that. Clean chord, muffled chord, and then this chord muted chord. And it goes together like this. I'll speed it up. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. And so on like that. And if you master that strum, you can play a plethora of reggae songs. So work on this song. It's such a great song to learn because it's the foundation for many, many other reggae songs. So there you have it, folks. That's 3 little birds. If you got value out of this lesson, then make sure you check out this playlist down here. And don't forget to download my songbook. The link is in the description below. Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. 3 little birds by my doorstep.